Hey guys, it's your boy Keys. Welcome back. El Salvador is in news today. We have crypto news for January 13th. So we're live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. So he said El Salvador feels the pain. So we're going to be reviewing this article. We do hope you find it informative enough. So table of contents, we have lots of them here. We'll be checking out them, reading their headlines out. So the biggest best crypto news ever, we have CMC's podcast here, which is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and more. So Bitcoin breaks for $3,000. So BTC has broken through the $43,000 for the first time in the close to a week on the back of the grim inflation figures from the US. The consumer price index increased by 7% in December, marking the fastest year-on-year gain since 1982. To the release of the latest inflation figures has reliably led to an increase in Bitcoin's price over recent months. We have next headline: El Salvador loses millions. So President Nayib Bukele has been aggressively buying crypto ever since adopting BTC as legal tender in September 2021. So we're going to be talking more on that. Then also a private club offers NFT membership. Say standard membership at the Fly Fish Club costs 2.5 ETH and offers access to a cocktail lounge, restaurant, and outdoor space. So the restaurant is due to open its doors in the first half of 2023. So we're going to see more of that in the next year. Then we have small miner beat massive odds. So it's to put this achievement into context, the computing power they were using meant they could have waited 26 years for this to happen. So guys, if you want to read more on this news, I'll still be dropping updates on it individually. So we have Solana can be the visa of crypto. So its ability to provide high throughput, low cost, and ease of use creates a blockchain optimized for consumer use cases like micropayments, DeFi, NFTs, decentralized networks, and gaming. They have more retailers to accept crypto in 2022. So the research indicates that United Arab Emirates, UAE, Hong Kong, Singapore, Brazil are especially forward-thinking, with more than 30% of merchants in these countries set to support crypto payments in coming months. We have CBDCs lack significant advantages. So the House of Lords Economic Affairs Committee concluded CBDC would have far-reaching consequences for household businesses and the monetary system for decades to come. So guys, that's all news headlines. We're doing more updates on these articles individually, so you want to stay tuned. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll be dropping a link to these articles so you can check the latest news and you can also check them out individually. So guys, peace out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Key. Stay safe and one love.